Ambedkar was very clear. Constitution.
अरे क्या है ये?
Coming here. I am coming here. I am coming. Your vice president of the party gave you interview in public. If before the election, if we are getting 400 seats in the loksabha, then we will alter the constitution. We will declare this country is a Hindu Rashtra. It is on record.
Shame.
It is on record. I will prove. Move your privilege. Move your privilege. Move your privilege. Show me in one occasion, RSS or Hindu Mahasabha. That is your forefathers. What type of contribution they gave in the constitution making process? I am a student of law, 6th-time MP, 3-time minister. I am neither a fool nor a knave to advise. How many times constitution has been changed? Yes, it has to be changed. But the thing is, whether it is a basic structure of the constitution or not. I can surgery my hand, I can surgery my fingers, but I cannot surgery my head. That is the soul. In your regime, entire 6 elements, namely democracy, secularism, rule of law, equality, federalism, judicial impartiality, everything has gone. That is why we are sitting here, not for power, not for money. Sir, I have been associated with Rajnath Singh ji ever since 1999, since we were in the Council of Ministers under Vajpayee. I do not undermine his stature, but with due respect to him, I must say, the speech delivered by Rajnath Singh ji is not at all matching his stature. I will demonstrate. Sir, he claims the document of the Constitution cannot be treated as a single party document. Maybe correct. A single party cannot claim ownership of the document. There are people, including Dr. Radhakrishnan, Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, Jayagara, Shyam Mukherjee, along with Vallabhbhai Patel, along with Nehru, everybody contributed. My only question is, show me in one occasion, RSS or Hindu Mahasabha. That is your forefathers. What type of contribution they gave in the constitution making process? I will demonstrate one by one. Sir, entire country is one way happy to the Rajnath Singh speech because he disclosed, at least in this session, that they are having deep faith in the constitution, much less socialism, much less secularism. But I am not happy because the statement given by the Rajnath Singh and Riju and all of the members from the treasury benches are completely hypocritical according to their past activities. I will disprove. I will prove. Sir, why shock? Sir, a chain cannot be stronger than its weakest link. You may say something, whatever you want to. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was humiliated by Congress. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was not at all celebrated by Congress. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was not at all given correct orbit in the ministry. But we are discussing the Constitution. How much contribution you are put into Constitution, and what are all the efforts all along after the independence you are maintaining in the Constitution propriety to be in the order? Nothing. Sir, I am asking a direct question to the treasury bench. Am I not correct to say?
It is not a question hour, no?
Yes, sir. Through you, sir. Sir, is it not? Sir.
You can only address to the chair. You can only address to the chair.
They are having, sir. They are claiming today, sir. Entire country is watching the proceedings. Sir, they are claiming today that they are having deep faith upon the Constitution, basic structure of the Constitution, including secularism. Please answer my question before the detail. Is it not true? Number 2 in the constitutional position in the country. I do not want to say the designation. I do not want to mention the name. Is it not true, number 2 in the designation of constitutional order, said openly in the government function, that to speakers conference, that we want to change the basic structure of the Constitution under the Kesavananda Bharati case. Is it not true? Is it not true? Your vice president of the party gave you interview in public, if before the election, if we are getting 400 seats in the loksabha, then we will alter the constitution, we will declare this country is a Hindu Rashtra. It is on record.
Shame.
It is on record. I will prove. Move your privilege. Move your privilege. Move your privilege. Move your privilege. I will do. Sir, let them give answer.
Sir, don't disturb. If you are, Mr. Raja,
Sir.
Raja, no, it is now you are seriously. If you are, I'm just talking to Raja. See, now if you are charging,
Sir, I'm charging.
the vice president or somebody had. Now
Sir, I'm not
it will be changed and it will be a Hindu, so you can authenticate.
No. Sir, it is there. It is there. Sir.
Shri Prahlad Joshi ji, please, Shri
No.
What?
Sir, I'm not yielding. I'm not yielding. I'm not yielding.
Joshi ji.
I'm not yielding.
No, I'm giving sir. Shri Prahlad Joshi.
Sir, what he is claiming is the person who is in the number 2, President Order number 2, he has said that we will alter the constitution and announce it as a Hindu Rashtra. Who has said it, and he should authenticate it, sir. Otherwise, he is misleading the House, sir. Who is the person? Let him say the name and let him authenticate it. Let him authenticate it, sir.
Now,
Let him authenticate
now,
it.
Mr. Raja ji.
He should authenticate it, sir. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. कोई भी नहीं कहा है ऐसे. प्रमाणित करो. He should authenticate it. How can he mislead the House, sir? How can he mislead the House? How can he mislead the House, sir?
I will request to everybody, please accept Raja ji. Kindly take your seat. Mr. Balu ji, you are very senior. Kindly take your seat. You are member of parliament now. He is speaking. Only I will ask to Raja ji, if you are saying anything and if it is a child, so you have to authenticate on the particular issue. What Mr. Prahlad Joshi ji has done. Authenticate. You have to authenticate. You have to authenticate. No, ठीक है. I will go through. I will go through the proceeding. I will go through the proceeding and please, Mr. Raja, please.
Sir.
Why, sir?
Please,
Sir.
Raja.
Sir, we are discussing the constitutional function. How the constitution working all along. Sir, why? Sir, this is. Sir.
Mr. Raja. Nothing will go on record.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to summarize everything because there is no time. What is the constitutionalism? Sir, Ambedkar was very clear. In a seminar, he said, Constitution.
अरे क्या है ये?
Joshi ji, I have already given a ruling that I will go through the proceeding and whatever he has said. So I have already told him. मैंने उनको कह दिया है कि जो आपने कहा उसको ऑथेंटिकेट करिए. हाँ, अन्यथा उसको ठीक.
Sir, if such a discussion is there,
Mr. Raja.
Sir, Ambedkar was very clear in three times: Constitution, constitutionality, and constitutionalism. He was very categorical in the assembly. Simply because the country is having constitution, that does not mean the country is having constitutionalism. India is having constitutionalism. Out of this Ambedkar speech, Kesavananda Bharati case was decided in 1973. The largest bench ever the country we seen. 13 judges in the Supreme Court used to sit. The famous advocate Nani Balkiwala argued the case. 68 days continuous argument took place. 100,000 pages, more than 100,000 pages, the judgment is there. As a student of law, I studied many times, I read many times. Even for this debate, last night I went through thrice. Sir, over and above the Kesavananda Bharati case, all the legal luminaries wrote a lot of articles. I can permit it to cull out what is the Kesavananda case, because that is the basic structure of the constitution. In that bench alone, you can amend all the constitutional provisions except basic structure of the constitution. You are having confusion. How many times constitution has been changed? Yes, it has to be changed. But the thing is, whether it is a basic structure of the constitution or not. I can surgery my hand, I can surgery my fingers, but I cannot surgery my head. That is the soul. Sir, Kesavananda Bharati case, I can cull out. Sir, I can cull out. Sir, I can cull out. What are the essentials? It has been codified. Sir, basic structure of the constitutions, Out of the entire constitution, 6 elements were culled out by the judgment of the honorable 13 judges in the bench. One is democracy. Number 2, secularism. Number 3, rule of law. Number 4, equality. Number 5, federalism. Number 6, judicial impartiality. Independent judiciary. Sir, with the due respect to the chair and the treasury bench, you are not at all competent to touch all these 6 elements in the constitution. You are against this. I will prove. Sir, come to the sir, come. Sir, I will demonstrate. Wait here. Wait. If you are having patience.
Why you are addressing to treasury bench?
Sir.
You can't address to the treasury.
Please.
No.
Sir,
Mr. Raja,
sir,
you can only address to me.
Sir,
you directly you are addressing to the chair,
Sir,
not to.
Sir.
You should not address to the treasury bench.
Okay, sir.
Because you have limited time.
Sir, I am having limited.
You have only 16 minutes.
Sir, you have to deduct all the intermission.
Already you have to deduct all the intermission. You have taken more than 15 minutes. I am giving you.
Sir, yes,
I am
sir,
giving
sir.
You need not to elaborate Kesavanand Bharti case. Kesavanand Bharti case is a reference case. That is true.
No, sir. Kesavanand case everybody knows. But what is the cut out from the Kesavanand case? The 6 elements.
What is the basic structure?
6 elements. You don't disturb us, sir. 6 elements. Sir, 6 elements. First element is democracy. Yes, when we are discussing with the democracy, all along you are accusing emergency. Look, I am coming here. I am coming. Not only Dr. Karunanidhi. Wait, sir, please. He is a minister. He is a minister. Sir, why are you disturbing, sir?
Raja
Sir,
Sahab,
please let him be patient.
only your speech is going on record. I
Sir,
think you should not you should not be bothered. Now,
please.
whatever you want.
Sir,
only that is going on.
Please advise them.
Please.
I am a student of law, 60-time MP, 3-time minister. I am neither a fool nor a knave to advise.
You had worked together
Sir,
also.
yes.
You had worked
that is altogether different.
also. No?
That is altogether different.
You were minister
Sir,
in the same cabinet.
whenever democracy is discussed in the house, they are saying that MISA, emergency. Yes. He is telling that our leader was arrested. I can go one step further. Have you come across South African literature? There is a big poet, Benjamin Molaisi, who sacrificed his entire life for the freedom of emancipation of blacks. He was executed. One of the narrations he put up, I want to share this house. Sir, one of the poems says, a 22 years girl was produced before the magistrate. He was arrested for the anti-national activities by the government. The magistrate, according to their law, she asked a question and he was produced before the magistrate after 6 months, under-trial prisoner. Magistrate asked according to law, any humiliation, any brutal attack, any injustice caused in the police station by the police. He just visited the 2 constables sitting around her. They are keeping Lati or the stick, big stick. This poet, the young girl used to say to the magistrate, sir, nothing injustice was done to me. The only thing is, if the Lati, which is being borne by the police, is having power to discharge someone, I should have been 6 months pregnant. Such a humiliation was done. Why I am taking? The same thing happened to DMK. Not in that way. A boy, 24 years old, he was in the jail. He was attacked, the entire injury in the visa. His father went to see. He never weared the full hand set. That day he was weared full hand set. Father was very wise. He asked, my dear son, have you got injuries by police? 24 years old, that young boy said, Appa, father, don't worry about my injuries. I'm having no injuries. Injuries for the constitution, democracy of the country. Go and say. That boy is none other than the MK Stalin, the present Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. The father is who is none other than the Dr. Karunanidhi. We know the pain. Don't teach lesson. But in spite of that, we are sitting here. Why? Why? We have been injured. Party has been assaulted. But we think, we thought, we believe constitution and nationality and country is more and above for all of us. That is why we are sitting in Congress. They are having grievances with Congress. Sir, they were silent spectators when we were in the jail, myself and Kanimuli. Take it granted, when we were arrested, Congress is in power. I never beg. When we were acquitted, you were in power. I never beg. We stand what we are. So that I am telling. Don't think that which alliance we are. For what cause we are standing here? That is the problem.
Mr. Raja.
Sir.
I think so.
Sir.
Speak on
Yes.
the time.
Sir. Sir.
You don't disturb us, sir. Please don't disturb us, sir. You are disturbing us, sir.
Please, Mr. Raja. You should not be emotional, na? You should not become so much emotional. Na? I can understand. Please try to conclude.
Sir.
Please conclude.
Sir. Sir, please, sir. Sir, the issue is democracy alone assaulted or completely buried in the Misa. But now, in your regime, entire 6 elements, namely democracy, secularism, rule of law, equality, federalism, judicial impartiality, everything has gone. That is why we are sitting here, not for power, not for money. Sir, I will demonstrate. I come to the next point. What happened to the... Sir.
This is unlawful. Unethical. You are only interrupting us, sir.
Your party time was 29 minutes. Already you have taken 30 minutes. Ajay, kindly you take 2 minutes.
Sir, you need to
Kindly take 2 minutes. Mr. Raja.
20 minutes आप ले गए 20 minutes आपका ले गए
Sir,
sir
sir, you are speaking about... Sir, in the emergency only we got... The constitution was amended, the words secular and socialistic was inserted. That is saving the entire country from your wrongful hands. Otherwise, you might have changed it. Sir, another important thing for the democracy I am telling. This is institutional injustice for democracy. Yes. But come to Stan Swami. Father Stan Swami, 85 years old. He has dedicated his entire life for tribals. You people, 85 years old, a aged man who is having Parkinson, you arrested him. He moved a bail application. NIA did not permit it. Third time, application was moved. Advocates were arguing before the court. That gentleman, Father Stan Swami is in the hospital. Stan Swami is in the hospital. Immediately proceedings were stopped. The advocate sent a note that Swami has passed away. Same as passed away. Judges said in the open court, we have great respect for Stan Swami work. It is shocking. Sorry, we are helpless. This is your democracy. Sir, what note the Stan Swami wrote? Lastly, what is happening today to me, I quote, what is happening today to me, not unique. The nation aware how many prominent intellectuals, lawyers, writers, activists, student leaders are all put into jail because of their dissent voice against this government. Yes. I am part of it, part of the game, and I am ready to take any price. He paid the price. I want. One day you will bear all prices for this. Sir, now I come to secularism. Sir, 4 elements. Now I come to secularism. No. Sir.
Congress is extending the time.
Only Mr. Raja.
Sir, I come into secularism. There is a grey area in the Constitution Assembly. When KT Shah, the member of KT Shah in the Constitution Assembly, wanted to insert secularism in the Constitution, Ambedkar did not respond to it. Why he responded? He spoke outside. He said, see the articles, Article 15, Article 25, Article 28, all are prohibiting any discrimination on the basis of religion. And the protection are purely secular. So the Constitution itself is pure secular. The entire country knows Pakistan declared is a theocratic country. But we are not declared any theocratic country. In the absence of the declaration, and having incorporated 15, 26, 28, 27, 28, it is not necessary to say the secular government is there, because such a bad thing will not come to this country. He did not expect these bad elements will come to the power. That is the reason. Sir, later it was. What is it?
क्या point of order है? निशिकांत जी, क्या point of order?
He didn't ask for point of order. We are asking for point of order.
निशिकांत दुबे जी क्या है?
ये जो बैड एलिमेंट है सर, हम लोगों को बैड एलिमेंट कर रहा है सर। ये बैड एलिमेंट हम लोग को गुंडा कह रहा है सर, माफी मांगने चाहिए, माफी मांगने चाहिए, ये गुंडा कह रहा है सर, माफी मांगने चाहिए, नहीं चलेगा, ये हाउस चलाने की जिम्मेवारी हमारी नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं होता है, इसको कहिए माफी मांगने के लिए, ये बैड एलिमेंट कर रहा है सर, माफी मांगने चाहिए, इसको माफी मांगने चाहिए सर, ये हम चुनकर आए सर, ये पूरे पार्लियामेंट पर, पूरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर अटैक कर रहा है, ये हमको बैड एलिमेंट कैसे कह सकता है सर?
Sir, if you feel, let it be expunged.
नहीं, ये बैड एलिमेंट माफी मांगने चाहिए सर,
कार्रवाई से
माफी मांगने चाहिए, माफी मांगने चाहिए सर, ये एमपी को बैड एलिमेंट कैसे कर सकता है? ये एमपी को बैड एलिमेंट कैसे कर सकता है? माफी मांगने चाहिए सर, माफी मांगने चाहिए,
But then this word.
एक एमपी दूसरे एमपी को बैड एलिमेंट कैसे कर सकता है?
खत्म कर
Sir, just within 2 minutes.
बैड एलिमेंट कैसे कर सकता है?
कर दिया वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं है, आप भी करोगे, कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं, आप लोग बैठ जाए।
सर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ सर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग हो रहा है, he is calling us bad mercy, हम इनके कारण इधर नहीं,
ऑलरेडी वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं है, वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं है,
सर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग हो रहा है, ऐसा कैसे चलता हो? माफी मांगना चाहिए, he should apologize, he should.
महुआ मोहित्रा जी प्लीज आई थिंक सो यू गो नहीं व्हाट यू आर डूइंग नाउ इफ राजा जी स्पीकिंग माइक ऑलरेडी देयर, माइक इज ऑलरेडी ऑन
Sir, now you have come to secularism.
माइक इज ऑलरेडी ऑन
Sir,
only
now I explained the genesis and mechanism development, how the secularism came
I
into
have
existence.
already explained,
Yes,
but
sir.
I think so being a senior member of
Sir,
parliament,
sir,
you should not use
sir.
this terminology. You can't. No one can.
Sir.
Not only you. Anyone can't say no bad elements. Now you are questioning on the wisdom of the people of the constituency and electoral of the constituency.
Sir.
How you can
Sir,
raise
I
this
come in.
question?
Sir, please come in.
Mr. Rai.
Sir, the concept of secularism, who initiated it? It way back in 13 November 1946. The objective resolution moved by the Nehru himself, where he moved, the constitution will give adequate safeguards, will be provided to the minorities, backward classes, depressed classes and tribals. Yes. The resolution was moved by the Nehru in the assembly. Even prior to that, Mahatma Gandhi, way back in 1931 in Karachi Congress session, Gandhi himself moved, I quote, religion neutrality will be the soul of free India. Sir, this is this side, Gandhi and Nehru. What is the other side? This resolution, Nehru resolution was adopted on 30th November 49. After 4 days, the organizer, official mouth of RSS, it wrote an article. I quote, Constitution, the present Constitution is being borrowed from Western countries.
Yes.
And we never found Manusmriti and our Vedas
Kindly
for any use in the discard.
5 minutes more time I have already given. 5 minutes more time. 5 minutes I have already given. 5 minutes already
Sir,
you have taken more than
what is-
Please.
Sir,
I think so. I have to run the house.
then this is the truth. Sorry, interruption, sir.
No, not with that. Kindly conclude.
Sir,
Mr. Tagore.
we count, sir, please count how much intervention.
5 minutes more I have given.
No, sir,
5 minutes more I have
intervention. No,
given.
sir.
How much time it is?
Sir, you are taking up all the time.
Kindly conclude. Kindly you conclude.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, who invented two-nation theory? Hindu nationality and Muslim nationality? We are believed that Jinnah did it. No, in 1924 itself, Savarkar did it. Savarkar did it. Sir, that is why the Prime Minister, very carefully and cleverly, even I can say cunningly, in his independence speech.
Again you are using that cunning. No.
Cunning is not
ये पार्ट में जाएगा. आप कृपया आप kindly conclude. No, kindly conclude.
Sir, is it a bad way?
No time is now.
Sir,
நீ பேசிட்டே இருங்க
Sir,
ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा, ये रिकॉर्ड में बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगा।
உங்க மைக் ஆன்ல இருக்கு பேசுங்க
ये कोई तरीका
Sir,
ऑलरेडी
in the independent speech as Prime Minister,
Please,
take it, take
you
it.
should speak
Take it.
carefully. You can
Take it.
criticize,
Sir.
but I think so. What you have made up your mind?
Sir.
Now you are saying those persons who have been elected as a bad person. What is it? Please.
Sir, Savarkar invented the two-session theory. Hindu
Your
nationalism.
time is now over. I think so.
I come to the
Please kindly, please
I
kindly
come to the point.
Please
Come to
kindly
the point, sir. Come to the point.
एक मिनट देता हूँ, एक
Sir, please. Disturbance is there.
एक
Sir, two-nation theory was invented by Savarkar, which was not at all accepted by Ambedkar. Ambedkar clearly said, I quote, "If Hindu Raj comes to this country, it will be a biggest menace. At any cost, it should be stopped." Unquote. On the contrary, in the speech of the Prime Minister, encomium was showered both Savarkar and the Ambedkar on a same orbit, on same pedal. What is it say? Sir, I do not want to go for rule of law. Sir,
Please.
next one is rule of law.
No.
Manipur. Sir,
You may have so many points, but
Sir,
for me, I think so. Please kindly conclude.
Sir, 2 minutes. I will conclude, please.
Only 1 minute.
Sir, rule of law. Sir, come for rule of law. I do not want to elaborate. Three things. Manipur, Bilkis Banu, then the restless. Strike on restless. What is the rule of law in this country? Daylight rape, daylight murder, no justice. This is the rule of law. Then you come to the judiciary. What you are doing here? Rajnath Singh is telling that Justice Khanna was elevated, bypassing the seniority. This government, I do not want to name out the judges because still they are in the chair. One of the judges was bypassed 23 people to elevate the Supreme Court. Another man, 30 people, suppressed, elevate. Sir, wait, please. I conclude. Sir, I am going to conclude. Last point. Sir, with pain I am telling, a Dalit High Court judge in Tamil Nadu, he was entitled to go for Supreme Court, but you put it CJ in Kerala and finish. This is the social justice. Sir, at last, I am coming to my last point, sir. Sir, I am coming to last point because I am skipping everything. Sir. I am skipping everything.
Please.
Sir, I am skipping over the last page. I am coming.
Last line.
Sir, last point, I believe. Sir,
Last line.
people usually quote, Ambedkar want to burn the constitution. Yes, I quote, Ambedkar said. People are saying that I am the maker of the constitution. I quote. But I want to say, I was used as a hack. I did something against my will. This is his words. I want to burn the constitution, unquote. Wait, sir. Please wait. Sir, while this happened, Andhra state bill was introduced in the assembly. That time minorities and scheduled castes asked special privileges. Then, sir, finishing it. This is last point. Sir, last point. Promise last point. Sir, Ambedkar suggested if the Andhra is given special status on the basis of linguistic states, minorities and Dalits are having apprehension, then the governor can be given a special permission, special power. Sir, I'm coming, sir. Sir, please, I'm coming. Sir,
It is not JPC.
Sir, only one point. I am finishing. This is finishing point. Sir, next day, I am finishing. Next day, sir, finish last page. I will not touch anything. This is last page. Last page, sir.
Already
sir,
you have. No, already you have
next
taken
day,
your time.
Sir, please. Sir. Next day. I am finishing. Sir, last day. Sir, next day. Sir, people ask. Sir, I am finishing.
Why you were questioning for the treasury benches? Now, when parliamentary affairs minister was speaking, please.
Next day, sir. Wait. Sir, next day, Ambedkar was asked by press people, you are the maker of the constitution, why you want to ban it? He said, I quote, "We build a temple to God to come and abode. If devil had taken the possession, what else we do except to destroy the temple?"
Thank
Sir,
you.
please decide. Everybody,
Namaste,
devil
Krishna ji.
or God? Thank you very much.
Namaste, Krishna.